Just on our way to the garage. Beautiful day. Figured I'd take out that FRS and what do you know? But now that you're gone. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the video. Today we're gonna be working on Shayne's G37. So these guys have it propped up. Basically prepping it right now before we start on any of the raft. Plan is to just crush this out. It's gonna be here for a couple of days. And this time we're doing it proper. So no shortcuts. We're actually taking off parts that we do, or that can be taken off, like the front bumper, the door handles. Sometimes, like on the forums before, when we checked, they said you had to actually remove the window, but Sunny and Larry actually did it without having to do that, so I don't know where you got your info. Yo, am I allowed to show these guys your color, or is this video gonna be black and white?
You can show them, I guess.
You know what? Your wrap is a lack of color already. Not even a color. Where's your wrap? All right, dudes. Psych! Pretty eventful morning so far. Got my first ticket in 2 years. What have we done? Lame. Pulled myself over as soon as I saw him, so I knew he was after us.
Here's your license back. So I'm issuing you the ticket for speeding. The front of the ticket's going to be self-explanatory. It has to be taken care of by August 14th. There are some options on the front for that. If you want to dispute the ticket, everything's on the back, okay?
All right, thank you, sir.
All right, have a better day.
Officer, I was having a good day already. All right.
How much is it?
360 bucks.
Yeah, I was figuring.
Woo! You know your tickets, Shayne.
Yeah, I did.
Called
I was
it.
gonna say 340.
360, mother. First ticket of 2020. I'm saying that like it's something to be proud of. Honestly, man, I saw the cop chasing us down and it was my fault. I asked for it. I was weaving through traffic like an asshole. Ticket itself was like $360. I just gotta raise my standard just a little more. I also dropped off the E36 at Minute Muffler to get blast pipes installed. Leave it in their hands. Yeah, get rid of this dinky thing. Getting Ravi to help me weld on blast pipes. Should be able to pick that up in a couple of hours. I'm just waiting on the phone call. But for now, let's keep at this. G37 makeover.
G35.
G35? Don't try to confuse the folks at home.
Yo, this is always where I fuck it up, dude. I don't know why.
Well, it's because you're a fuck up.
Oh, yo.
Just kidding, just kidding.
Ouch.
Yo, let me help you. You did a really good job tucking this. Oh wait, you're taking it off. All right, we just picked up the E36. Damn. So the basic exhaust we're using is a MagnaFlow exhaust, which I got off of LJ. Thank you, LJ. This is the first part of the E36 overhaul. I have so much planned for this thing. Interior-wise, we're getting a whole bunch of things in. Just like a half harness bar for this thing. We're gonna create our own see-through acrylic door cards so that you can still see all the mechanics in here. I'm using this toe strap so that you can actually close the door from the inside. But yeah, man, I'd say this thing is coming along and it sounds good. Gonna give it a couple more revs here. Damn. Alright, okay, let's turn this off before our neighbors complain. None of our neighbors even complain. They're all super nice, but let's just put this aside. This is my high school playlist.
No, it's not. It's mine.
It's my elementary's playlist. You listen to this shit in elementary? Yeah, 90s rap. That's a good era. Bro, Skittles out here. Sadly, it's raining. But it's a nice change from snow. And we got Crits coming in here. I think he's gonna install a harness bar or something. Tasha Crew. Hey, hey. got all his wheels cleaned up. And these guys are starting. So, color's no secret. Even if I kept this video in black and white, this would have been the same damn color.
It's called Metro Satin Nero.
What the fuck? Yeah, it's like a deep satin gray, silver gray. I like it, dude. Got a full roll of this stuff. Over here, Larry's testing it out on the spoiler. How's it to work with?
KPMF, no stretch. It's actually kind of like a intro to chrome, kind of, but especially with satin, because if you stretch it, it becomes glossy. So it's gonna be really obvious if you overstretch it. Like, that's
It's not too bad.
Yeah, it's okay. It feels
for example,
That's not black.
colorblind, bro.
I don't know what I'm doing. So that's not good.
These guys have a harness bar install. It's in this box, I presume?
Yep.
Sick, dude.
You want to take it out?
Yeah, sure. We'll do a little unboxing, I guess. Let me grab a knife.
Chris, you're doing an unboxing.
Okay, it's not open yet.
Okay, it's not open yet. Totally not open yet. Universal kit.
Yeah, okay,
I think this is 49 inches. And if you have a Skyline, if you want a harness bar, get the universal one because it's pretty hard to find Skyline parts. This is black because my car is black. It came with zip ties.
That's hella lot of zip ties.
Yeah, holy crap. Why?
I bought that from Princess Auto.
I legit thought that was.
Planning on getting the same one for my E36, so
There we go.
better I learn this now, too.
If you don't want a full cage or half cage, it has a couple more extensions. These ones. So you can mount it on the floor somewhere. These ones. So you can mount
Reminds me of like,
the floor.
it reminds me of the lead pencils, you know?
Graphite.
Yeah.
We got a new hood for this thing. Plus, it'll probably make it easy for these guys to wrap around these areas. We went over to our most favoriteest Thai restaurant, and it's literally just like 2 minutes down the street. Thai boat. They have really good food. Yo, they hooked it up on the house. And also, they gave us like 5 free coconut ice creams. That's awesome. Thank you guys. Itadakimasu. Stuffed wings. So basically what they do is they stuff these with like a meat noodle mixture, and then you dip that into the sweet and sour sauce. Heaven.
Yo, no, copyright! 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 We are not playing Tootsie Slide by Drake. It's not, it's a really cool, hey? Yo, Larry, can you put Tinder on this? There's YouTube, so I can watch Birdie's video while driving. That's illegal, but don't do it. That's a cell phone, dude.
That's actually pretty good.
That's pretty cool. It's a full-on computer, bro.
Yo, Amazon special.
These guys got the harness bar all installed. Like I said, I'm getting the same exact universal one for my E36. Let's see how these guys got theirs installed. Oh, it's not,
It's not bullshit, dude.
yeah. No, it looks good though. You got handlebars for the people in the rear. Ding, 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 union brake, union brake. Damn, man, color looks sick, slick.
Alright, I locked. I closed the door. I can't open it.
Oh.
Yeah, can you open it from the other side?
These guys are working quick. This side is almost half done, man. Crazy. All right, crits, we'll catch ya. Ooh. Like I said, guys, rain is better than snow, and I feel it. Even though this COVID madness is still upon us, I feel summer is also right around the corner, and it's not gonna stop us car peoples from having fun and enjoying ourselves.
How about me? Good night.
Yo, peace. Down. Guys, status update. Look, it's finished. We're here, we're having a little rap lesson. Teaching the owner of this car how to wrap his own vehicle.
Yeah.
Almost. Guys, I think we've done enough for today, so I might actually end this video. Just wanted to show you that this car is almost like but 60%. For one day's work, these guys crushed it. For the past couple of weeks, the saying's been, we'll cross that bridge when we get there. It's almost like saying, why worry right now, you know? It's a problem for your future you. Because everyone's gonna face problems. So might as well just accept the fact and wait until it happens and then become super solution oriented and just fix the problem as fast as possible. That's it. All right guys, that's it. We're ending the video. Peace. Appreciate the helps. We'll continue tomorrow.
We will see you again in 2022.
Come on, man. It's too early to make jokes. Guys, just stay away from the media, okay? That is my birdie tip of the day. If you guys want to get updated when new videos come out on this channel, hit that sub button with the notification button ticked, drop a like, and leave some good vibes in the comments. We'll catch you guys in the next vlog.
Is the future. Evolution. This is the future.